Hello everyone, I'm Yuanyuan Xu from the Institute of Computing Technology, Chinese Academy of Sciences. Today, I'll introduce our work, Mutual Learning of Joint and Separate Domain Alignments for Multi-Source Domain Adaptation. For single-source domain adaptation, we need to solve the task on the unlabeled target domain, but we only have labels on different but related source domain. Single-source domain adaptation aims at transferring knowledge from a sophisticated source domain to benefit the target domain. For multi-source domain adaptation, labeled images are drawn from multiple source domains. Multiple source domains also provide richer information for the task of the target domain. In this work, we focus on multi-source domain adaptation. Our motivation is that the joint and separate domain alignment methods are complementary in terms of their advantages. Specifically, the joint domain alignment methods minimize the discrepancies of all domains jointly, and they take advantage of feature interaction before decision-making but suffer from much information loss. The separate domain alignment methods instead align the feature distribution of the target domain with easy source domain pairwise, and they can utilize more available information but with less interaction among multiple domains. Complementarity analysis also shows that the joint and separate domain alignments are complementary in their advantages of classifying different samples. Based on the above analysis, we present a mutual learning-based alignment network, MLAN. MLAN contains three modules: a joint alignment branch, a separate alignment branch, and a mutual learning module to utilize the complementarity of the two branches for better results. In the mutual learning module, categorical mutual learning is designed to enable the two branches to communicate their highly confident predictions, while logit mutual learning is designed for communicating about those lowly confident predictions. When the classification result for a target sample is reliable, the pseudo-label is directly assigned to the target sample. When there are no reliable pseudo-labels, mutual distillation is introduced to make the two branches learn collaboratively. To encourage each branch to learn the advantage of the other, the branch with higher confidence prediction supervises the other. For example, if the joint alignment branch gets a more confident prediction, then its classifying output is used to supervise the separate alignment branch, and vice versa. We conduct experiments on three commonly used datasets, including OF31, DIGIS5, and DomainNet, to compare the proposed method with existing ones. MLAN achieves an average accuracy of 53.5% on 6 transfer tasks of DomainNet, which exceeds existing methods by a large margin. This shows that combining the two domain alignment mechanisms is useful, and the superiority of the mutual learning module in our method. For the ablation study, we study the effectiveness of categorical and logit mutual learning. The chart shows accuracy gain compared with joint. As can be seen, both the categorical and logit mutual learning objectives improve the performance. We also study the sensitivity of two hyperparameters. As can be seen, MLAN is not sensitive to alpha when it varies around 1. For gamma, there's a clear upward trend when gamma becomes larger, which means that it's better to select few samples for pseudo-labeling to avoid wrong labeling. In conclusion, the joint and separate domain alignment methods are complementary in terms of their advantages, and the complementarity can be utilized at different levels. That's all. Thank you for listening.